50 on left base here, past the 6-lane highway, Rocky Way. Next to a good rock, turn left base to runway 36 left, you can turn it in now. Face to the purple dot, to the line at the yellow dot, runway 36 left. I got a tail dragger out there too on left base behind the Cherokee that just turned Rocky Wings. If you're rolling out runway 36 left, will be left turn in the grass, follow the flagman. It has been rolled smooth. I got landing traffic coming up behind you, and the skyscraper flight's coming up on the initial left turns into the grass, follow the flagman. It's been rolled smooth. Welcome to Oshkosh. Everybody landing runway 36 right today. It'll be a high-speed taxi down the runway, all the way down the runway for the end, and follow the flagman. Highway, crossing the 6-lane highway. Start to descent now. Start to descent now. You're clear to land runway 36 left at the yellow dot. Okay, 1 flight of 3, roll out, 1 flight of 3, okay, tight. 1 flight of 3, right brake, that's in numbers, runway 36 left. Clear to land, I got another one on the base right now. It'll be turning final shortly, will not be a factor for you. Okay, copy that, sir. Break with the numbers. Guys, I have 1, we have this flight. Mooney, crossing the highway, Rocky Way. Good rock for the Mooney, I want you on left base, runway 36 right. Runway 36 right, clear to land at or after the red square. There's a flight of 3 skytypers over the top of the runway right now. They're going to be in a break, runway 36 left. The Mooney's on 36 right, you're clear to land. Rolling out runway 36 left, left turn as soon as you can. Left turn as soon as you can. There's a high wing on final. I want to go on the left. Overhead. Check. T6 wants the overhead or does not want the overhead? Thank you. Turns off that runway. Continue all the way down. It's flagman at the end. Welcome to Oshkosh. Same for you, Mooney. 36 right. Clear to land at or after that red square. And then all the way down to the end. The sense will pick up the speed for you. And you'll follow the flagman at the end of the runway. On 36 right, I need you to power up all the way down to the end. It's fast, go a little bit faster. We got traffic landing behind you on that red square just passed. So no turns off there. There you go. I see it now. Thank you. All the way to the end. You can slow down when you get close to the flagman at the end. They'll get you in the parking. Thanks. Welcome to Oshkosh. Thank you. Looking that just crossed over the highway, Rocky Wing. Highway, good Rocky Wing. There's 3 of those skytypers out there. Do you see the third one? Yes, sir. All right. The third one's going to be landing 36 left. For the other 2, you're landing runway 36 right. He just puffed for you. Just in case you couldn't see him. 36 right, you're clear to land. Fantastic job, everybody. Fantastic job. Welcome to Oshkosh. You can turn left just the next surface there at number 2 to follow the flagman to your parking. You're fantastic. Thank you very much. We're parking right. Show 7 Skytype 1. I enjoyed the show yesterday. I was down on rooftop watching you from with the air box. It was good. We love that. Thanks for the feedback. T6 on initial. T6 right brake at... And there's a T6 that's just braking over the approach into runway 36 left. He's going to circle around and land that runway. So start your descent now, and runway 36 right. You're clear to land at the red square and then all the way to the end. Let me know if you see that T6. Thank you. That T6 again is going to be landing runway 36 left. You're clear to land runway 36 right. T6, that low wing that's on the base sees you. Runway 36 right, clear to land. Clear to land, pass through the side, big forward. Little forward, behind big forward, runway 36 right, clear to land. Little forward, copy. High wing, just cross the highway, rock your wings again for me. Got it, alright. Now if you want a left base, runway 36 left. Runway 36 left for the land at the yellow dot. High wing tail dragger, top of the highway, start your descent. And runway 36 left before the land at the yellow dot. Cessna, touching down runway 36 right. Great job. Really appreciate the help. Keep the power up. High speed taxi all the way to the end. There's flags down there for you. Help to get you to parking. I got a high wing Cessna turning final runway 36. Let's take it down to the yellow dot. So the line at the yellow dot. Got one departure there loading up on the runway ahead of you. To the end of the way here. That's the tail dragger for the final right behind you. I want you to aim for the purple dot. You're toward the line at the yellow dot as well. I got another one on base. You haven't turned final. You see the Ford off your right? I want you to widen out, follow the Ford if you can. Can you follow the Ford? Go ahead and answer. Yeah, thank you very much. I really appreciate that. That really helps us out on the departures and everything. So I got the Cessna over the runway. Power up, power, power, power. Highway, power, power, power. All the way down the runway. Power, power for the Cessna over the purple dot. Purple dot, I want you to keep it in the air. Do not land, do not land. Cessna, power, power, power. Tail dragger, go ahead and set it down wherever you can. Go ahead, there you go. Good job, great job, Cessna. Keep it up, keep the power going, keep the power going. Great job. Great job for the tail dragger, great job. Cessna, go ahead, set it down wherever you need to. You can set it down now, thanks for the help. The tail dragger, great, fantastic job. Left turn into the grass. Follow the flagman. The Cessna, go ahead, set it down on that pink dot. If you go past the blue dot at that hard surface, the flagman will move the cones for you down there, so don't be worried about that. Alright, I got a Cessna short final now, runway 36 right. You're the one that was following the Ford. Thanks for the help. Clear to land, runway 36 right on the red square all the way down to the end. That Cessna rolling out at the blue dot. If you can make that hard surface turn out, that'd be great. If not, they will move the cones for you at the end. Great job, everybody. Well done.
Yellow, I'll be demo, Woolbird Island inbound.
ORV demo, you're at the island, right?
Affirmative.
Thank you. Red, 1 mile, report a 1 mile right base, runway 36 right, please.
Roger, I'll be demo. Just like that.
Seaplane coming in, you reported a mile out. It looks like we got you quite far out there on the, are you a high wing? High wing, Cessna, keep it in the air, keep it that altitude. You got a twin landing right behind you. So come up high, it's for the yellow dot. We got a twin landing behind you. Keep it up high, I want you to set it down after the yellow dot. You might be in the air for a little bit longer yet. If you have to go all the way to the end of the runway, they will move the cones for you. Don't worry about that. Yeah, but as soon as you slow it down and get under control, left turn at that hard surface if you can, that would be great. The Cessna now that was in the air, you can set it down. Go ahead, put it down as soon as you can. Where you can, you don't have to slam it down, but come on down, put it down, and then left turn off when you can, otherwise you go all the way to the end. Nice job, guys.
I got the boss lane, turning final there, runway 36 right, cleared to land.
Baron, can you go to 36 right? Unable to get a Cessna short final right side.
Okay, just over the final for 3. Baron, 36 left is fine. I don't see anybody. You see somebody in front of me?
Negative, we had someone on the right side, Cessna.
Okay, so Baron, just keep it up past the yellow dot. Traffic coming in behind you. Clear to land 36 left.
Go with that.
Now the final for 36 right. Just slide all the way down past the red square, then high taxi. Cessna short final for 36 left. You're going to go all the way down past the yellow and put it down. Who's on final for 36 right out there? That's red Meridian. Meridian, you're clear to land 36 right. Red square, hustle down to the end. Follow the flagman. Everybody welcome to EAA Oshkosh.
That's exactly. Inbound. Call over the seaplane base again.
Big Ford.
Big Ford, Roger, report a right base, 36 right.
Right base, 36 right.
Go back over the highway, start your descent, 36 left.
L39 Warford Island. L39, roger for 2 mile initial. 2 mile initial, more, you want the overhead? Yeah. Yellow RV demo, Warford Island. Yellow RV demo, roger, 2 mile right base, 36 right.
And Oshkosh, sling demo is at Van Dyne.
Green demo, understand and find the way.
Van Dyne.
Where are you at?
Van Dyne?
I don't know where that's at, sir. Go to, are you on the Warford
Negative, we coming in from the southeast from the Van Dyne.
Thank you. Southeast, we got ourselves a moving turn short final runway 36 left. You're the third land on the southbound. Once you get it down on the follow the fifth VFR procedure inbound. So that's the ribbon, and we'll talk to you in a little bit.
Understand, but we are a sling demo. We just took off a few moments ago, and